Werner Heisenberg. Werner Heisenberg was born on December 5th, 1901 in Würzburg, Germany. That means he's German. When he was in high school, he was interrupted by World War I. He was sent to go harvest crops in Bavaria. After he left the war, his father, Caspar Ernest August Heisenberg wanted his son to get educated. Since barely going to high school, he went to 3 different universities, first to Munich, Leipzig, and Göttingen. He took a lot of interest in theoretical physics. That's where he realized he wanted to become a physicist. When he was 22, he was a professor in the University of Göttingen. While working there, he faced seasonal allergies. He left the island. He left the island of Heligoland. During his time there, he discovered the matrix mechanics. This would be the turning point of physics. He discovered this by him working on some problems that deal with atomic model. He noticed there were little visual models, so he decided to work with experimental data and mathematical results. To do this, he had to apply a mathematical system to the atomic physics, and that's where the matrix mechanics was created in 1925. Creating the matrix mechanics, it was an easier way to formulate the quantum mechanics. This was Werner's second discovery that he made in the same year in 1925. The quantum mechanics showed the behavior of elementary particles in an atom. Also, it explained the movements of an electron in an atom. With these two discoveries, the matrix mechanics and the quantum mechanics, the people around him were astonished by the discoveries he was making at a young age. But when he discovered the quantum mechanics, people around him were comparing his to Erwin Schrödinger. Some thought Werner's was better, but the others thought the opposite. But eventually, Erwin showed and proved that they were both the same. The third discovery that affected the quantum mechanics was the uncertainty principle that he wrote. This principle stated that it's impossible for an electron to travel in the needed orbit. Also, it said electrons that contain positive protons will change its momentum in physics. He made this discovery in 1927. Making all of these magnificent discoveries explain and understand the quantum mechanics more. Everyone around him was very grateful in having it. Making all of these discoveries, Werner surely had to be trained very well. Thanks to Max Born, David Herbert, and Arnold Sommerfeld, they helped Werner win the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1932. On February 1st, Werner Heisenberg died from having cancer in his kidney. He served his country well. To me, if Werner did not become a physicist, he would still have the looks because he still has the key looks in looking like a scientist. For example, he has the cool gelled hair, the creepy smile, the brains, the serious face, and the all classy Harry Potter glasses. Imagine the world without Werner's discoveries. We would not have a lot of things. For example, we would not have microchips, computers, nuclear power plants, and nuclear bombs. Life sure would be different, right?